Welcome to a special presentation about the Power and Possibility Hackathon. I'll be your host, Alexis Trujillo. In this special series, we'll be presenting you a sponsor and mentors of this hackathon, so you can get tips about the approach and projects you may submit. The winner project will get a prize of $10,000 in SEM and access to the Ignite from NEM Ventures Incubator program. Also, the second and third prizes will be rewarded. For more about our case studies and projects built on Symbol, visit the enterprise page, symbolplatform.com.
And to tell us more about the Symbol Hackathon, who better than the mastermind behind this plan? I'm talking about Kristy-Leigh Minehan, the CTO of NEM Software, and she's going to tell us all about that in this show. Hi, Kristy. Thank you for joining us. Well, before we enter into the subject, can you please tell us a little more about your background?
Thanks for that warm introduction, Alexis. I'm Kristy-Leigh Minehan, aka Oh God, a Girl, Chief Technology Officer for NEM Software by day, cryptocurrency and technology consultant by night. I've been heads down in the blockchain industry in various aspects since 2010, and I have an absolute fascination with automation and optimization. Most people may know me from my prior work in the cryptocurrency mining space and my work on Ethereum's proof of work ecosystem. At NEM Software, I focus on our product and engineering roadmap for Symbol, NIS1, and a few other products we've yet to announce.
Thank you, Kristy. Now, why do you think this hackathon is so important to Symbol? For Symbol, and why do you think it's so appealing to the developer community?
Yeah, so I think in any product launch, the first few weeks are the most critical. This is when your user engagement is at its highest, which means you're going to get more feedback, more widespread testing, and more suggestions that will help evolve your product roadmap. For any developer looking to carve out a name for themselves in the industry and showcase their expertise in the blockchain space, this is a fantastic opportunity to build a viral application that will be among one of the first that showcases the capabilities of Symbol. For NEM Software ourselves, this is the perfect opportunity for us to get widespread feedback and user testing on our protocol to understand what improvements and features we need to build first, and for allow us to work side by side and get to meet some of the industry talent. So very exciting all around.
Thanks, Kristy. Now, in the intro, we spoke about the 4 tracks of the projects that can be built and sent to the hackathon. I mean, you have 4 tracks. You have hybrid, you have interoperability, libraries and plugins, and design. Now, are these the Symbol features that represent really a challenge for developers, or is the easiest of the features to work with? I mean, why these tracks?
Yeah, so these 4 tracks really showcase the features and capabilities of the Symbol blockchain. So we have, hybrid, which is all about how to best utilize private networks and public networks and harness the capabilities of each to best suit your application. We have interoperability, which is all about how do we ensure that we share data and interact with other chains? How do we best enable usability and compatibility with other blockchain protocols? We have plugins, which is all about how do you go and design features and additional components and extensions to the Symbol ecosystem that can easily be disabled. They're toggleable. That's incredibly important for enterprises and businesses and anyone wanting to configure their network. And then we have design, which is something that I hold near and dear to my heart. So how do we improve the user experience of engaging with the Symbol ecosystem? So these are really tracks that represent the capabilities and the the individual areas of Symbol. And I think we're going to see a lot of incredibly interesting applications come out of this hackathon.
And this is important too. From your perspective, what kind of projects you really would want to see in this hackathon?
Yeah, is it cheating to say all kinds? Um, I'd like to see more projects that focus on automation for users, whether that's automating a payroll system, automating archiving and data collection, or automating shipment and fulfillment for an online store. I'm also really excited to see how people take advantage of Symbol's plugin system and what kinds of additional functionality the community will explore and will have ready for the hackathon. And most importantly, I'm interested in crowdsourcing and almost getting feedback on the design and usability of Symbol and seeing where that is going to evolve in the hackathon.
Thank you, Kristy. Now, if you have some final words or some final thoughts you want to leave to all those developers who want to join the hackathon, please do so.
Yeah, and you know, gee, words of encouragement. This is hard. Be bold, be creative. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Oftentimes in hackathons, I've seen engineers or developers go for what we call the low-hanging fruit, the easiest, the easiest project possible just to get their name on a list. Take this time to go and do something crazy. Try and make your ideas come to life. I want you to really challenge and push yourself with Symbol. And I'm excited to get to meet each and every one of you. So welcome to the Symbol Hackathon, and I'm eager to see what you can create.
Well, thanks again to Kristy-Leigh Minehan, the CTO of NEN Software. And to all of you developers, please join us and take part of the hackathon, the Symbol Hackathon, and stay in touch and stick around for more information on the mentors of the Symbol Hackathon. See you around.
Thank you so much, Alexis.
To get more information about the Symbol Hackathon, please visit our website, symbolplatform.com.